Shela in Cancun is a natural water park with unlimited snorkeling, food, and drinks. Discover one of the best theme parks in Riviera Maya and Cancun. Feel a bit closer to heaven in a place considered one of the greatest and most beautiful natural wonders in the world. Shela, Mexico offers one of the best holiday experience right in the heart of the Riviera Maya. Get unlimited snorkeling, food and drinks while you are able to observe multicolor fish and a great diversity of marine species that inhabit the fresh waters of its rivers, cenote and natural inlet. Here you will discover that there are also parts of heaven and earth at your fingertip. Shela is celebrating 25 years this 2020 and it is an excellent opportunity to visit this natural wonder in Riviera Maya. Have a one-of-kind experience where snorkel food and beverages are included. Relax and enjoy your day. No matter where you look, you will be able to perceive the countless secrets that nature keeps under each rock and on each leaf. Among its trails in the jungle, between the roots of the mangrove and with the 360 views, the top of the scenic lighthouse at 131 feet high, you can contemplate the beauty of the River Maya and the Mexican Caribbean in all its splendor because the magic of the planet lives inside these magnificent waters. In addition, you will have at your disposal a high quality, all inclusive service and guaranteed fun at all the times. Not far from Cancun and Playa del Carmen, Shala has prepared for you and your family fun water and land activities. Enjoy ecological attractions, varied restaurants and bars, resting areas, as well as the best landscape to admire while benefiting from various amenities. Each corner of the place has something new to discover, whether you are looking for fun or relaxation or to satisfy your palate with delicious food. With its vast selection of services, you'll be able to enjoy a worry-free rest where fun flows naturally. In all-inclusive parks such as Shela, you are the one who chooses how to take the greatest advantage out of it. The site puts at your disposal all food, drinks, and activities in order to spend unforgettable moments in a completely effortless comfort. All you have to do is choose how to enjoy the day. You happiness as you have before in a unique and natural environment, as well as the envy of many other destinations. It is without doubt an excellent theme park for the whole family to enjoy. There is something special for every taste waiting for your arrival. Come immerse yourself in amazing cenote, lagoons, and inlet, or enjoy a spa, water zip lines, slides, high jumps, and many more activities that you will only find at Shela. A fantastic day in the Mexican Caribbean awaits you. If you haven't visited this paradise place in River Maya, perhaps you want to know more about Shela. Its wondrous park that houses the iconic natural inlet that is home for several flora and fauna species, plus being relevant among the Maya.